If you want to manage your money like the 1%, you need to follow the 70-20-10 rule. This is the exact system my wife and I used to go from broke government employees, I was a jail deputy, she was a 4th grade teacher, buried in over $40,000 worth of student loan debt, living paycheck to paycheck, and stressed out of our minds, to building an online business that replaced our income, allowed us to quit our 9-to-5 jobs and become millionaires in our early 30s. And here's the best part. This works whether you're making $30,000 a year or $300,000 a year. So in this video, I'm breaking down all 3 buckets, showing you exactly where every dollar should go, how to set it up in under 15 minutes, and the biggest mistakes that keep people trapped living paycheck to paycheck. Now here's the thing, knowing the system is one thing, but actually implementing it is where most people fail. And that's why automation is absolutely critical. The 1% don't manually track every dollar. They set up systems that do the work for them. And that's exactly what I'm gonna show you how to do. The first bucket is your 70%. This is where all your living expenses go. And this is where most people screw up. So what actually counts as a living expense? I'm talking about your housing, whether it's rent or mortgage, your groceries, not eating out, but actual food you cook at home, your utilities like electricity, water, internet, your transportation costs like car payments, gas, insurance, or public transportation, and essential insurance like health insurance. Now here's what does not get counted as an essential living expense. And this is absolutely critical. Your streaming subscriptions like Netflix, Hulu, or Disney, those are all wants, not needs. Eating out at restaurants or ordering DoorDash, again, that's a want. Your gym membership, a want. New clothes beyond the basics that you need, a want. All of those impulse purchases on Amazon, I see you Dutch, definitely a want. The reason 70% is the magic number is because it's realistic, but disciplined. It gives you enough breathing room to actually live your life without feeling deprived, but it also forces you to be intentional about your spending. You can't just blow money on whatever you want and expect to build wealth. Here's the common mistake I see all the time, lifestyle creep. This is when your income goes up and the expenses all automatically go up with it. For example, you get a raise, so you upgrade your house or your apartment. You get a bonus and you lease a nicer, newer car. Before you know it, you're making twice as much money, but you're still living that paycheck to paycheck lifestyle because your expenses have grown right along with your income. When Brittany and I started to make more money from our business, we made a conscious decision to keep our living expenses capped at 70%. We didn't move to a bigger house, we didn't buy fancy cars, we just kept our lifestyles the same and funneled all that extra income into buckets 2 and 3. And that's exactly how we built wealth so fast. The 1% don't increase their lifestyle every time they make more money. They keep their living expenses capped and they funnel all of that extra cash into investments in wealth building vehicles. That's the secret. Now, one of the biggest problems that people have with the 70% bucket is they don't actually know where their money is going. You think you're spending $2,000 a month on your living expenses, but it's actually $3,500 because of all those hidden subscriptions and forgotten charges. That's why we personally use Rocket Money to track all of our spending across the board and cancel unwanted subscriptions. It automatically categorizes all the transactions, shows you exactly where your money is going, and even helps you cancel subscriptions you forgot about with just a few taps. I'll leave a link in the description. It's absolutely free to get started, and it's honestly been an absolute game changer for helping us keep our 70% bucket under control. So here's what I want you to do. Download the Rocket Money app using the link below, connect your accounts, and let it scan your spending for the last 30 days. I promise you'll be shocked at what you find. Then cut anything that's not a true living expense and get yourself down to that 70%. The second bucket is where the magic happens, and this is your 20% for wealth building. This is what separates the 1% from everyone else. This bucket is not for saving in a checking account, where it just sits and loses value to inflation. This is for investments, for building a business, for buying assets, things that actually grow in value over time and put money back into your pocket. So what actually goes into this bucket? Index funds, Roth IRAs, 401ks, especially if your employee matches, that's literally free money, you should take advantage of it. Real estate investments if you're at that level, starting a side hustle or an online business, investing in high income skills that increase your earning potential, anything that makes your money work for you instead of always having to work for your money. Let me tell you a quick story. When I was working as a jail deputy and Brittany was teaching, we were making decent money, but we always felt like we were stuck. We knew that we wanted to achieve financial freedom, but we couldn't just save our way there. We had to build something. So we took 20% and we started investing it into the Savvy Couple. We bought a domain name, we invested in learning on how to build a website, how to create content, how to grow an audience, and we did this while working full-time jobs. It wasn't easy, but that 20% was our ticket out. And here's the thing about compound growth. Even small amounts add up over time. If you invest just $200 a month into an index fund that averages 10% returns, in 30 years, that's worth over $450,000. That's the power of putting your money to work. It's a must. Most people save and just let it sit in a checking account, losing value to inflation. The 1% put their money to work in assets that grow over time. That is how you build wealth. I personally like to imagine our dollars like little soldiers that we put to work. When invested, they're out there every single day fighting for our freedom. So put your money to work. We have a bunch of investing videos coming up on our channel, so make sure you're also subscribed. And if you're getting value, go ahead and hit the like button and share this with a friend. Now, here's something the 1% do that most people completely ignore. They don't just track their monthly budget, they also track their overall financial health by monitoring their net worth. Your net worth is the total of everything you own minus everything you owe. And if you're not tracking this number, you have no idea if you're actually building your wealth or just spinning your tires. This is where Empower comes in, and they're actually sponsoring today's video. Empower is a completely free app that connects all of your accounts, your checking, your savings, your investing, your loan, everything. And it gives you a real-time snapshot of your net worth. It also has tools to track your investments, plan for retirement, and see your entire financial picture all in one place. We've personally been using Empower for well over a decade, and it's hands down the best way to track your net worth and make sure your 20% wealth building bucket is actually growing. The 1% obsess over this number because it tells you the truth about whether you're moving forward or falling behind. So if you're serious about managing money like the 1%, go ahead and click the link in the description to set up your free Empower account. It takes less than 5 minutes, and you'll instantly see your net worth and get a clearer picture of your financial health. And trust me, once you start tracking this, it actually becomes very addicting to see your net worth grow. So set up your Empower account today, check your net worth, and commit to checking it at least once every quarter. Make it a goal to increase that number every single month by funneling more into that 20% bucket. The third bucket is the most overlooked, and it's honestly the reason that most people quit budgeting. This is your 10% freedom fund. This is your guilt-free spending money. This is the money that makes life worth living while continuing to build your wealth. So what goes in this bucket? Date nights with your spouse, family vacations, hobbies, whether it's golf, photography, crafting, whatever brings you joy. Gifts for birthdays, holidays, all your charitable giving, anything that's purely for enjoyment that doesn't fall into the needs or wealth building category. Now you might be thinking, Kellen, if I really want to build wealth fast, shouldn't I just cut this out and put the extra 10% into investments? And I get it. I used to think the same way. But here's what I learned the hard way. If you don't give yourself permission to enjoy your money, you'll eventually get burnt out and blow your whole budget. It's like going on an extreme diet or a cut where you cut out absolutely everything you love, and eventually you're going to crack, binge eat, and eat an entire pizza. The same exact thing is going to happen with money. The 1% understand that wealth isn't just about the number in your bank. It's about having the freedom to live the life that you actually want. And if you're miserable the entire time of building your wealth, what's the point? Brittany and I use our 10% for family experiences over material items. We take our kids on trips, we go out to nice dinners together, and we give to our church and other causes that we care about. And we do it all guilt-free because we know we've already taken care of buckets 1 and 2. Here's what I want you to do. Set up separate accounts for your freedom fund. And when it hits 0, you're done until the next month. This forces you to be intentional with your fund money instead of mindlessly spending. You'll actually enjoy it more because you're being very purposeful about it. Now that you know the 3-system bucket, let me share the 4 mistakes that I see most people make with the system. Because if you make these mistakes, the whole thing falls apart. Mistake number 1 is not tracking where your money actually goes. You can't manage what you don't measure. This is why we use Rocket Money. It automatically tracks every dollar so you know exactly where we stand with the 70% bucket every single month. If you're not tracking, you're just guessing, and guessing does not build wealth. Mistake number 2 is not tracking your net worth and your overall financial health. You might be sticking to your monthly budget, but if you're not watching your net worth grow, you have no idea if you're actually making progress. This is why Empower is so critical. It shows you the big picture. Are your investments growing? Is your debt going down? Is your net worth increasing month to month? These are the numbers that actually matter. Mistake number 3 is trying to be perfect from day one. Now look, if you're currently spending 85% of your income on living expenses, don't try to drop that to 70% overnight. Start with 80, 15, and 5, and work your way down over the next few months. Small progress is progress. The goal, just like dieting and tracking calories, is to become sustainability and have a healthy lifestyle. It's not perfection. Mistake number 4 is not automating the system. If you have to manually move money around every month, you're gonna forget. You're gonna get lazy, and the system's gonna fall apart on top of you. Automate your transfers on payday so your money goes where it needs to go without even having to think about it. I have an entire video on our paycheck routine that you can watch after this video. All right, so how do you actually set this up to automate it? Here's the exact process step by step. Step 1, calculate your monthly take-home income. This is after taxes, after insurance, after 401k contributions, whatever actually hits your bank account each and every month. Let's say the number is $5,000. Step 2, multiply that by 0.7, 0.2, and 0.10. So in this example, that's $3,500 for living expenses, $1,000 for wealth building, and $500 for your freedom fund. Step 3, open up separate accounts for each bucket. Most banks let you have multiple checking accounts and savings accounts for free, or you can use sub-accounts. The key is to keep them separate so you're not mixing them all together. Step 4 is set up the automatic transfers on payday. This is the most important step. As soon as your paycheck hits, the money automatically splits into 3 buckets. $3,500 goes to your main checking account for living expenses. $1,000 is going to go to your investment accounts, whether that's your Roth IRA, brokerage account, or a business savings account. And then $500 is going to be your freedom fund. Step 5, use Rocket Money to track your 70% bucket and make sure you're staying on target. It'll send you alerts when you're getting close to your limit, help you cancel subscriptions, and help you keep organized with everything. Step 6, create an Empower account to track your net worth and monitor your 20% bucket growth. Log in once a month, check your net worth, and make sure it's going up. If it's not, you need to adjust something. And last but not least, step number 7, review quarterly and adjust as needed. Every 3 months, sit down with your spouse and look at the numbers. Are you consistently under 70% on living expenses? Great. Maybe you can bump up your wealth building to 25%. Are you struggling to stay under 70%? That's okay. Look for areas to cut and adjust. This is the exact system that took us from being broke, living paycheck to paycheck, super stressed, to financially free. And if it worked for a jail deputy and a 4th grade teacher buried in debt, it can also work for you too. Remember, 70% for living, 20% for wealth building, 10% for freedom. Set it up, automate it with Rocket Money and Empower, and stick to it. And if you want to learn how to increase your income so you have more money to put in these buckets, check out this video right here. Don't forget to subscribe. We drop a new video every week to help you fast track your financial freedom. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. God bless. Peace.